Thank you, ATHGTR and entire team for giving me this opportunity to talk about some of the testing experience which I have. Thank you for an opportunity. Myself, Sumit Mundhada, I got almost 15 years of experience into test automation. I am basically a test automation professional and AI/ML practitioner. I take care for test automation delivery for cutting edge technology projects. I'm also a speaker and a blogger, and I have represented several testing conferences and published white papers to ensure it benefits a wider QA community. That's pretty much about me. I am electronics and telecom engineer. I also did CDAC, and recently I have completed my post graduation program in artificial intelligence and machine learning. So that's pretty much about me. I will try to cover quality experience for the end customer is a top priority for any organization, if you say, right? and and also with this cutting edge technology transformation, digital transformation, and the technology revolution, right? I would say observability is one of the significant area, and it plays a very vital role now. Okay, and that's what pretty much is all about my topic. So here I'm going to talk about what is observability, how it is different in terms of monitoring and observability solution, and how they complement each other. As a takeaway for the audience, it will be like they will understand what it is all about, what are some of the key tools and platforms one should look for, different benefits out of it, what are the key pillars around it, right? So I will try to demystify around all these things, and I'm sure as a takeaway, when we talk about audience, I think it is important for everyone, from fresher to leadership. I think this topic will benefit everyone to really understand what is observability, and if we implement it in a right way, then how it can make us proactive, right? So the theme is to go into another mode of proactiveness and finding the quality defects on time, of course at end, to make our customer happy. So that's what my topic is all about. My passion, one of the passion is automation, like, and that's what I'm doing from last 15 years. So I'm very passionate about automation and bringing value out of automation. One of the key area in terms of my passion is also, I try to learn a lot about new technology and trend. I give myself a lot of time. The reason being, I want to share that knowledge across. So I always believe in, always keep learning and keep sharing with everyone around you so that it can benefit others as well, right? So I'm very passionate about automation, and I always look forward to learn more and more about it, and then share more and more about it. So I think that's what my passion is all about. Of course, apart from that, I really like and love, enjoy playing and watching cricket. So you can say that that is my another passionate area. See, I think there are a lot of good authors. I mean, I read books a lot, but I will name few here. I really, like to read about books coming from Robin Sharma. He is one of the favorite author for me. A lot of inspiration I take from his book. To name few, I think I really like, which is one of the book, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, then 5 a.m. Club. I think these are a few of the books which I can name for. And I think that there is a lot of inspiration, lesson learned about life, about your own, how you, how I can say, like, how you can bring better in you in every day, and some of the element like what you should focus for. So I think, yeah, these are the two books which I am remembering at the moment. First of all, so technology is always evolving, right? I mean, even if we look back to our own career, right? I started with Symbian, Java Micro Edition, Android, mobile stuff, cloud, automation, AML, and I think before that also, when computer came and all those things, right? So technology will always be there. It will keep evolving, right? The experience, or if I, correctly answer the lesson which I learned from this, that we have to adapt to it, right? We have to keep ourselves always ready to adapt with the technological change, upskill ourselves, be scalable enough to understand what is happening there. So that's the first part of it. Now the second part is uh, when it comes to advising any tester or anyone, right? I really want to advise that don't rush, right? I mean, if you hear a buzzword like um, Gen AI or AIML or tomorrow something else, right? Don't just rush. Don't just go like everyone is doing that, that's why I want to do it. Give yourself a time to see what it is all about, how it matches with your skill, whether you are feeling any passion around it, and how that kind of a technology stuff can help in your own day-to-day activity or whatever work you are doing, right? So for example, I am in automation, so I look AIML how it can benefit me for automation, right? So understand like that. And then the third part is, once you are very clear with that, give yourself a very sufficient time and look for a right source. So once you are clear that okay, I am really feeling that I need to go for cloud, or maybe I need to go for AIML, right? Then give yourself a very sufficient time, sort of the goals which you can achieve, right? So achievable goals, targetable goals, and give a very good time period, right? That no, I will not do in a 1 month, I will take 6 months, every day I will focus few things. Because if you do like that, you will crack the goal. If you have something, a goal is very good, but you are not calculating the time frame and all, then you will, today you will choose one a technological area, you will try to do something, you will drop it, and then you will go for the next, and you will just do like that. So my advice is, um, don't try to be everywhere. Stick to one area, give yourself sufficient time, and look for a good source of knowledge rather than just the knowledge, right? And once you pick that, I'm sure you will be there and you will find your passion and you will do good in whatever space you are doing.